Are we aware about the disadvantages caused by an unfit conventional motorcycle? Maintenance is high, and uses non-renewable fuel. Solution to this is e-vehicle. It avoids using fuel energy and reduces pollution. But it is very expensive and not affordable to all. How can we resolve this? By retrofitting the existing unfit conventional motorcycles and converting it to eco-friendly electric two-wheelers. The benefits are affordable because of low maintenance, avoids repurchase of new bikes, has cloud components that helps in tracking the vehicle, analyzing vehicle behaviors, and continuous monitoring. Economical eco-friendly two-wheelers.
Forged at Forge.